Hello friends, today I will discuss about transcendentalism. Transcendentalism is a philosophical movement that developed in the late 1820s and 1830s in the eastern United States. The term transcendental itself was first coined by the 18th century philosopher Immanuel Kant in the 1781 publication of his Critique of Pure Reason. It is a reaction against intellectualism and spirituality. Their core belief is in the inherent goodness of people and nature. Transcendentalism emphasizes subjective intuition over objective empiricism. Transcendentalism is closely related to Unitarianism. It is centered on Ralph Waldo Emerson. Other important transcendentalists were Henry David Thoreau, Margaret Fuller, Amos Bronson Alcott, Frederick Henry Hayes, and Theodore Parker. It is a belief in the essential unity of all creation, the innate goodness of humanity, and the supremacy of insight over logic for the revelation of the deepest truths. Became a coherent movement with the founding of the Transcendental Club in Cambridge, Massachusetts on September 8, 1836. A second wave of transcendentalists came, including Moncure Conway, Octavius Brooke Frottingham, Samuel Longfellow, and Franklin Benjamin Sanborn. Transcendentalists are strong believers in the power of individual and their personal freedom. Transcendentalism has been directly influenced by religions, especially Indian religions. Many important transcendentalists were also social reformists who campaigned for the abolition of slavery and for women's rights. Transcendentalists also came to criticize existing social arrangements which they thought prevented individual spiritual development. According to them, one must go beyond the material world to a higher, spiritual plane in order to reach basic truths. They believe that nature is a spiritual force and a source of inspiration. The Transcendental Movement dramatically shaped the direction of American literature. Ralph Waldo Emerson has been recognized as the father of Transcendentalism. Thank you so much.